This is paper 1 of May 2016 Time Zone 1 examinations. Take a moment to read through and try this problem, put the video on pause, and then come back when you're ready to look at the final answer. This is asking us which compound has the highest percentage of carbon by mass. And so we don't have to worry too much about the 100%, but what it's asking us is 100, which gets it into percentage form, of the mass of carbon over the mass of the whole. That's what it's asking us for. Now, if you remember, paper 1 does not allow you to use calculators. So if you want to do some calculation shorthand, know that you're not going to be able to do it with a calculator. So we can ignore this times 100 because each of these would be multiplied by 100. What we're really looking for is what this fraction is going to be. So the mass of carbon, we want to round stuff up so that we don't have to worry about it too much. We're going to just use carbon has a mass of 12 and hydrogen has a mass of 1 because each of these have just carbons and hydrogens. So our first one, we would have 12 carbons, or 1 carbon with a mass of 12 divided by the whole, so carbon plus 4 hydrogens, 16. So that's our first one. And then our second one, we've got carbon, 2 of them, so 12 times 2 is 24, divided by the whole, which is 24 plus 4 more, 28. And then 12 times 4 is 48, divided by the whole, 48 plus another 10, that's going to give us 58. And then finally we've got 12 times 6, which is 72, divided by 72 plus just 6 more, 78. You can look through these. If you want to go through and reduce them quickly, you can do that. Remember, paper 1 is 45 minutes and you've got 30 questions to do in that time. So you kind of want to be able to look at these fractions and identify which one has the highest numerator, the part divided by the whole. So you want the higher percentage on the top. So you want the bigger difference there. So you should maybe hopefully be able to look at these and see that D would be our answer. If we were to go through and reduce this and reduce that and reduce that and reduce that, we would see that by far this one would be the highest percentage by mass. Hopefully your fractions are good. If again you want to go through and reduce things, this would be a 3/4, and we can continue going on and get them into the lowest fractions that we want. That would be helpful if you've got the time to do it. So this might be a problem that you come back to. You get this first part and you're like, okay, well I think it's D, but I want to come back, make a little note to yourself to check it at the end just to see if you go through the process of reducing these, if the numbers are working out the way that you think that they are.